What's up, guys? It's Carrington, and in today's little short video I'm going to be going over how to actually slide a Q4 Alfa Romeo Giulia, which is the all-wheel drive Alfa Romeo Giulia. And this is one with an open diff, so it doesn't even have the limited slip diff that comes with the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sport, but you can definitely still slide this thing a little bit around, even without turning off traction control. And that's kind of one of the good things about the traction control system. It allows you to slip a little bit and have a little bit of fun without going crazy. So first thing you want to do, definitely be in dynamic mode. You can be in manual mode or you cannot if you want, but you typically either want to start off in first gear or second gear. So in this case, let's start off with first gear. That wasn't the best at all because that car was coming here and I didn't want to do anything too crazy. But yeah, I'm choosing these conditions, which is a little bit wet, because it's easier to kind of find the grip of the car a little, and you don't have to yaw it as much, because if you're going to be sliding, which it isn't a drift, if you're going to be sliding an all-wheel drive car, you definitely want to be able to use a little bit of weight transfer to your benefit. So like even there, when I didn't use a lot of weight transfer to kind of slide the back end around, that was just because it was in second gear and there was a lot of torque, enough to knock the back end a little off. If you're coming to a turn like this, you want to get in second gear and like that. It's pretty easy. And you kind of want to angle, especially if you're coming to a turn like that, what you want to do, you want to angle the car 45 degrees, blip the throttle a little bit, it'll knock it off the back end, then you counter correct and it will all be fine. The traction control system is going to intervene for you at the right time. And I've done this plenty of times in the dry too, completely dry. You just need a little bit more pitch in, kind of like a Scandinavian flick, but it will come around even without traction turned off and even with all-wheel drive open diff. And as you guys can tell, this car is a really, really good car to at least start to learn the dynamics of how a rear wheel drive base car, which this car is built on a rear wheel drive platform. So it's an all wheel drive car, but it's primarily rear wheel drive. So this is a good car that will give you a little bit of an understanding of what the dynamics of a rear wheel drive car are without having to worry about it completely coming around at you. Yeah, that's essentially what you want to do if you want to go around and slide this thing. I'm going to see if I can do another one that's pretty good that will give you guys a good understanding of what I mean. Anyways, guys, hope that is a good video to show you that, you know, you don't need the quadrifoglio in order to have fun with this car. These Giulias are really, really good drivers platforms. And so, yeah, guys, you can definitely slide all-wheel drive Giulias. And yeah, that's the video, guys. Till next time.